The magic trick that all filmmakers, good filmmakers, know is that there are shot patterns that work all the time, and just about for any type of genre, TV, news, cinematic films, social videos. It's called the 6-shot pattern. And I want to take you to Berlin, to the main train station, with a friend of mine to show you those shots. It's a very simple idea. We're going to use 6 shots to establish an activity, her riding a train. When learning the art of filmmaking, it's really important to practice sequences, to film individual shots that help tell a story and take a viewer on a visual journey, whether that journey is around the corner or on a train. Let's look at these shots that follow a character as she boards a train. We have some establishing shots here, and now we move to an over-the-shoulder shot where we see our character in a little bit closer framing, figuring out which train to take. A neutral shot of the signs, the hands of her making a purchase of a train ticket, and then some kind of creative shot that has just maybe a small camera move and a lot of internal action as the train arrives. And then she's not sure that that's the right train, so we also film another over-the-shoulder, but from a little bit different, further back angle to get some variation. And then hands paying, hands stamping the ticket, and then the face of our character. And then an over-the-shoulder as she rides her first train ride in Berlin.